Hello, it's Karen D, back with another short Chicago video. There is so much to do in Chicago. One is going to the Sangria Tasting Fest at the beach. This was at the Shore Club at North Avenue Beach. I park at the Chicago History Museum parking lot using Best Parking app on my phone. I paid about $20 and then I walked through Lincoln Park and crossed Lakeshore Drive under the bridge. The tasting was fun, good vibes, great music, and good food. I was having too much fun that I didn't record much. So yes, enjoy the short video. So this is me driving on the expressway 290 towards Chicago. Hello, it is Friday, it's in June, it's a little gloomy today. I am in Chicago and I am actually walking towards a place called Shore Club, and I parked by the Chicago Historical Society building at their parking lot, and I was gonna take an Uber, but I just don't see the point of paying an Uber for 20 bucks while I can get there in 10 minutes. And it was gonna take me about 25 minutes to get there in an Uber. So I decided to walk. And it's actually a nice fun walk. And I'm very lucky to find an umbrella in my car. So here I am walking. So I actually was wearing a higher shoes, but now I put on these ones, my favorite Croc sandals, so I can walk. And it looks like there's an event there, probably a wedding, and everyone has their umbrellas. Very cute. This is actually becoming a nice walk. And why don't you look at that? I've never been here. That's Abraham Lincoln, one of the presidents of the United States. How cool is that? Abraham Lincoln. And that is Chicago Historical Society. My cousin actually got married there years ago. Why don't you look at that? Okay, I'm here. That is actually the Castaway, and it is a bar. They have music there, food, and it's shaped like a boat from top. And I just want to show you the view back there. That's Chicago right there. There you go. Alright, so I am doing my outfit of the day. I'm at the Shore Club in Chicago by the beach. Well, we call it beach. But anyway, what I'm wearing today is a jumpsuit. It's one piece, and this is how it looks. It's blue. It has a belt, and that's how it looks. It's raining. It's raining, by the way. So that's how it looks. And I was wearing a wedge shoes, but I had to walk about 10 minutes, so I am wearing my Croc sandals. So now on the next clip, you're gonna see me being goofy. Okay guys, I want to show you how people jog. Here we go. Here's, this is how they do it. Okay, you guys are not paying attention, but this is how they do it.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
Okay, well, we recorded that. Well, that's it. Going to the Sangria Fest, walking through the park. It was a lovely day, raining, but it was a nice walk. More to come soon, and thank you for watching!